Hi guys, today we are going to study some basic information that will help you in exams of MAT, CAT, etc. Now this will also help you in exams of hotel management and railway recruitments. Our first chapter is analogy. Analogy means correspondence. In question based on analogy, a particular relationship is given and another similar relationship has to be identified from the alternatives provided. That means we have to find the relationships from the alternatives. First is kinds of relationship. Let's look at the first paragraph, instrument and measurement. Example is barometer, pressure. Barometer is a device used to measure pressure. Thermometer is a device that is used to measure temperature. Anemometer is a device that is used to measure wind vane. Odometer is a device that is used to measure speed. Scale is used to measure length. Balance is used to measure mass. Sphygmomanometer is a device that is used to measure blood pressure. Rain gauge is used to measure rain. Hygrometer is a device that is used to measure humidity. Skew gauge is used to measure thickness. Ammometer is a device that is used to measure current. Seismographs are the graphs from which earthquakes are measured. Tassometer is a device from which trains are measured. Quantity and unit. Second paragraph is quantity and unit. So example is length, meter. Meter is a unit of length. Kilogram is a unit of mass. Newton is a unit of force. Joule is a unit of energy. Ohm is a unit of resistance. Liter is a unit of volume. Radians is a unit of angle. Watt is the unit of power. Potential is the volt is a unit of potential. Joule is the unit for work. Second is the unit for time. Ampere is the unit for current. Candle is a unit for luminosity. Pascal is a unit for pressure. Hectare is the unit for area. Degrees is a unit for temperature. Mho is a unit for conductivity. Oyster is a unit for magnetic field. Our third is individual and group. Example is sailors, crew. A group of sailors is called as crew. Cattle, herd. A group of cattle is called as herd. A group of flowers is called as bouquet. A group of grapes is called as bunch. A group of singers is called as chorus. A group of sheep is called as flock. A group of rider is called as cavalcade. A group of bees is called as swarm. A group of man is called as crowd. A group of artists is called as a troupe. A group of fish is called as shoal. A group of soldiers is called as army. Nomads, what that means? A group of nomads is called as. Let's look at the fourth one. Animal and young one. Example is cow, calf. Calf is the young one of cow. So, pony is the young one of horse. Kitten is the young one of cat. Lamb is the young one of sheep. Caterpillar is the young one of butterfly. Larva is the young one of insect. Puppy is the young one of dog. Chicken is the young one of hen. Cub is the young one of lion. Duckling is the young one of duck. Child is the young one of man. Male and female. Example is horse, mare. Mare is a female of horse. That means bitch is the female of dog. Doe is the female of stag. Daughter is the female of son. Lioness is the female of lion. Sorceress is a female of sorcerer. Bee is the female of drone. Lady is the female of gentleman. Niece is the female of nephew. Tigress is the female of tiger. Our next one is individual and class. Example is lizard, reptile. Lizard belongs to the class of reptiles. That means man belongs to the class of mammal. Ostrich belongs to the class of bird. Snake belongs to the class of reptile. Butterfly belongs to the class of insect. Whale belongs to the class of mammal. Rat belongs to the class of rodent. Our next is individual and dwelling place. Example is dog, kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. Like that, bee lives in a apiary. Cattle lives in a shed. Lion lives in a den. Poultry is always in farm. Monk lives in monastery. Fish lives in aquarium. Birds live in aviary. Horse live in stable. Study and their topic. Example is ornithology, birds. Ornithology is a study of birds. So seismology is a study of earthquakes. Botany is a study of plants. Onomatology is a study of names. Ethnology is a study of human races. Ontology is a study of reality. Herpetology is a study of amphibians. Pathology is a study of diseases. Astrology is a study of future. Anthropology is a study of man. Paleography is a graphics for writing. That means paleography is a study of writing. Histology is a study of fishes. Semantics is used to study language. Nephrology is a study of kidney. Conchology is a study of shells. Hematology is a study of blood. Craniology is a study of skull. Mycology is a study of fungi. Entomology is a study of insects. Zoology, study for animal. Occultism is a study for supernatural things. Ology is a study of eggs. Virology is a study of viruses. Malacology is a study of molluscs. Paleontology is a study of fossils. Pedology is a study for soil. Taxonomy is a study for classification. Orography is a study for mountains. Selenology is a study for moon. Encrinology is a study for secretions. Histology is a study for tissues. Neurology is a study for nest. Cardiology is a study for heart. Psychology is a study for algae. And virology is a study for virus. Now friends, this information which I gave to you was very basic. So for if somebody from 6th class or even 4th class, can 4th to 10th, anybody from there can watch this video, can study about this. This will help in their future exams as well. Now this was very basic. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share as much as you can. I will continue the next part of the video and then in the next video. Thanks.